Rami here from Solar Juice. This Friday marks a very special occasion for Solar Juice. And what is that special occasion? Solar Juice was established on the 18th of September in 2009. So this Friday, Solar Juice completes its first 10 years of trading and also kicks off its 11th year. Therefore, Solar Juice would like to announce a special promotion called the 11th year sale, where we'll be discounting 11 products for 11 days and also giving away special prizes consisting of 11 iPhone 11s. Very excited about that. Concurrently, we're also continuing a special promotion for the SunGrow bundles, where it will be continuing to be run up until the end of September. What's happening in terms of stock for Solar Juice? Just this week, a latest batch of our exclusive Trina 325 all black just arrived in our warehouse. And next week, we're expecting our first batch of Trina 330s all black, exclusive also to Solar Juice. Please contact your BDM for further information. That's all from me. Over to my colleagues. Cheers.
Thanks guys. The industry created 800, that doesn't look right. Rami, what did the industry create last week?
Mate, very easy. It's actually 829,000 created last week, and that's over the STP run rate by 139,000 for 2020. Back to you, Dan.
Yes, so that's the industry created 829,000 STCs. That's 139,000 STCs over the STP run rate. So another surplus week. Based on current projections, we should reach the target by the 30th of October this year. The price is held steady at $38.25, same as last week. Back over to you guys.
Hi guys, Doug here from 3 Quotes. A week is a long time in lead generation, and we are once again seeing some unusual peaks and troughs throughout the country. Overall, lead volume is down slightly this week, but there are some definite areas of opportunity out there. If you're struggling with intense competition in your metro business, then I encourage you to think about pivoting to regional areas. Even if you just plan a country tour for a week or so in an area near to your base. There are regional areas where customers are not getting a single estimate, so much less competition on price. Also, last Friday we released our STC leaderboard for August. Check out who's doing what in solar on our website, 3quotes.com.au. That's all from me. Have a great week.